Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record a meeting in Jitsi Meet. So basically what we'll need to do is go right here and click on the three dots where it says more actions, and here you'll be able to click and start recording. So right here it will say save recording file locally or record only my audio and video streams. So basically I will select save recording file locally and click start recording, then just click save, and now click allow. And now it says recording is on, and I'm now recording the meeting. So to stop, what you'll need to do is basically click on this button right here, click confirm again, and that's how you'll be able to actually stop recording. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.